Hi everyone, in this video you have to find the limit, this limit f prime of w minus f prime of 2 divided by w minus 2 when w goes to 2. But in this question we have to use the definition of f w prime of x. As you know, definition of f prime of x is limit f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. So by comparison, f w prime of a, the definition of f w prime is equals to limit f prime of x minus f prime of a divided by x minus a. So our limit in this example, we have limit f prime of w minus f prime of 2 divided by w minus 2 and w goes to 2. So our limit equals to f w prime of 2. Now f of x given in the question, you have to find the first derivative, then you have to find the second derivative, then you have to replace the second derivative by x equals 2 to find the limit. So f prime of x equals, this is our function and it is multiplication of two functions. So the first one is u and the second one is v. So as you know, the product rule equals the derivative of product rule, uv plus uv prime on u prime on v. Now u prime, the derivative of the first function is 2x multiplied by the second function sine x plus u, which is the first function, which is 2x, x squared minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of v, which is cosine x. So we have 2x sine x plus x squared minus 1 multiplied by cosine x. Now you have to find the second derivative, and also you have to use product rule twice. So f w prime of x equals here we have two functions multiply with each other, so u v, and the second function is multiplied x squared minus 1, which is u multiplied by cosine x, which is v. So what is the derivative of the first function? 2x sine x uv prime plus u prime v. So u prime is 2 multiplied by v sine x, then plus u 2x multiplied by v prime cosine x. So we did the first function, then plus for this function you have to use the same product rule, u prime 2x times v, which is cosine x, plus u x squared minus 1 multiplied by v prime, which is negative sine x, because the derivative of cosine x equals to negative sine x. No need to simplify. No need to simplify because you have to replace x by 2. We want to find f w prime of 2 to find the limit. So this is equals to f w prime of 2. Since you will substitute the angle inside sine, it will be degree, it's not in radians. So f w prime of 2 equals 2 sine 2 plus 2 times 2 equals to 4 multiplied by cosine 2 plus 2 times 2 4 multiplied by cosine 2 plus Here 2 squared equals to 4 minus 1. 3 multiplied by negative sine 2, so you have to write negative here, then you will get sine 2. Now group the sine with each other and cosine with each other. Group the similar terms. We have 2 sine 2 minus 3 sine 2, which is minus 1 sine 2. And we have also 4 cosine 2 with 4 cosine 2, and this is equals to 8 cosine 2. So f double prime of 2 equals negative sine 2 plus 8 cosine 2, and we found or computed the limit using the definition of f double prime. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.